You've got bills to pay, friends to treat, and maybe even a side hustle to fund. But how do you manage all that money without losing track of it? Enter Cash App. It's like having a personal financial assistant right in your pocket. But how do you even get started? That's what we're here to figure out today. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cash App? Is that really necessary? Can't I just use my bank? Well, while your bank account is definitely important, Cash App offers a level of convenience and flexibility that traditional banking just can't match. It's like having a supercharged wallet that lets you send money instantly, invest in stocks, and even buy Bitcoin. But before you can dive into all those cool features, you need to create an account. So let's do it. First things first, you'll need to download the Cash App from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll have the option to sign up with your phone number or email address. Choose whichever one you prefer. Next, you'll need to verify your phone number. Cash App will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code into the app to proceed. After verifying your phone number, you'll be asked to create a $cash tag. This is your unique identifier on Cash App, similar to a username. Choose something catchy and easy to remember. Now, it's time to add a debit card. This is optional, but it's highly recommended. Linking a debit card allows you to transfer money to your Cash App balance instantly. You can also use your debit card to make purchases in-store or online. Once you've added your debit card, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This is a security measure to protect your account. You'll need to provide your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Congratulations! You've officially created a Cash App account. But wait, there's more. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to explore all the cool features Cash App has to offer. You can send and request money from friends and family with just a few taps. You can invest in stocks and Bitcoin with as little as $1. You can even use Cash App to pay for your favorite coffee shop or online shopping spree. But remember, while Cash App is a powerful tool, it's important to use it responsibly. Keep track of your spending, avoid overspending, and always be aware of potential scams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.